Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How to withdraw your Chainlink Link tokens from Kucoin to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Kucoin account with some Chainlink tokens in it, and a Phantom wallet installed on your device. It's available for desktop or mobile. Also, double-check that your Phantom wallet is connected to the correct blockchain network, like Ethereum, since Chainlink operates on it. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account and head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Find your Chainlink balance and click on the Withdraw button next to it. This is where things get exciting. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select Chainlink Link as the asset. Now, carefully enter your Phantom wallet address. To get this, open your Phantom wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the address for Chainlink. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto withdrawals are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary based on Ethereum gas prices in 2025. Review all the details, including the network, it should be Ethereum, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once you submit, Kucoin will process the withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to your Phantom wallet and refresh it to see your Chainlink tokens arrive. If everything checks out, you're good to go. In summary, withdrawing Chainlink from Kucoin to Phantom is straightforward, but always prioritize security, use hardware wallets if possible, and stay updated on any 2025 changes to crypto platforms. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.